Good morning. So we are in Westbury, New York. It is Wednesday. We are building a waterfall into a pool. Got some material over here. The guys got other material in. Got stuff in the truck they're running in, but it is a warm one, you know, mid-July. So we're gonna get working on laying this out. We were actually here about a month ago where we demoed and cleaned everything up for a wedding, and now we're back to build it. So let's go take a look inside. All right, so we're back at the house in Westbury, and very tight space. We had to bring our mini machine in. We've got a piece of dive stone here that we're gonna try and get through the gate because they really want to have something thick as a single piece as a dive stone. And
even that one is heavy, man.
And we've got our second little baby dive stone over there. That one's gonna be a bridge. So we're gonna work on getting this one in. We'll see what we can do. We brought our mini machine here, which barely lifted the boulder. I mean, it just barely lifts off the ground. Doesn't seem so big, but that slab is pretty thick and heavy. So we got it set where it's gonna spill in. Got some challenges with this one because we've got a skimmer there, clean out basket right there. So putting boulders on this side is very tight. And then this side, underneath right over there, we actually have a piece of cracked bull nose that we have to cover. So we had to come over more to make sure to cover that. But it leaves it tough because it doesn't show it there, but there's a good projection there. Like, that's where our coping is. So we've got a good 18 plus inches. So guys are gonna get this foamed in all the way around, backfill behind this, start setting some frame rocks. I have to get another piece of underlayment, but because we pulled the other one out because it had foam on it. So I'm gonna go grab, and we're gonna get some progress because it is not cool today. Third time's a charm, rebuilding this. They like the big stone. I had them approve placement. We got some bigger boulders on the inside of it, and we're making a miniature bridge that when you look through it, the water will come through. That it'll turn and twist and go back that way. This afternoon we'll get a lot of the rest of the boulders set. Should hopefully have almost everything set by the end of the day. All right, so almost the end of the day, and we got very good progress. Well, third time's a charm type of thing. Waterfalls in, frame rocks, we got a little mini bridge, boulders wrapping around. Dan's gonna get the little spill and plumbing done when I get the machine out of here. Let me show you my access, which the time lapse will show you, but that's my access. My E20 just fits. So guys are cleaning up over there. I'm gonna get the machine out. All right, so it's the end of day 3. Yeah, we got almost all of it set. Got the plumbing line in the back, framing out edges, gravel and little stuff, and we'll get that done in the morning. So let's wrap on up. Oh, they did already. All right, so it is Thursday morning, and the three of us are here working on finishing this up, building out our wing walls on the side here. in the gravel underneath the bridge. Liner and tucked and folded in. Gonna get our plumbing at the very top done shortly. Dan's gonna get that in. I gotta give him an elbow. And lights are all now in. So last thing is to get that back corner and then finishing up finish treatment. So moving along. It is hot today and it's humid, but the hope is we are out of here, I'm hoping, a little after lunchtime. When you drive back from Florida in your Mustang and your white towels covering everything, you gotta love it. Only in New York. All right, only benefit of working in mid-August is when we have to come and finish a waterfall and we're finishing the spillway and I have to go back and cut in the underlayment, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So hope you're enjoying watching this. All right, and so like that, it's a wrap. Crew's on their way back. They got to unload and prep for the next one. We're all set here. So we're mimicking one we did probably about 10 years ago with a spill rock and a small bridge. This one, the bridge actually doesn't work. Well, you could walk over it, but it's just such a tight space. So here there is just a faux bridge, but if you look, the water does trickle right underneath it. So this is a wrap on this one, and the guys are off to get prepped to go back to building our version of a restaurant. So if you like, please like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.